Hello guys, how you doing? Jamie here from JAYP Cars, and today I have something a little bit different for you. I'm not going to be reviewing a car, I'm going to be buying a car. I think it's going to be a lot of fun when I get it back on the road. It needs a bit of work doing to it. Not sure quite how much yet. It was a bit of a sold as seen deal, but for the money I got it for, which I'll tell you in a little bit, it's good. So without further ado, here it is. The Mercedes C320 Vanguard. I think this car looks really good, considering it's 20 years old. So I'm going to get straight onto the bad points. The bad points: the calipers, brake discs, the pads, which are non-existent, and the coil, the springs are really rusty. I'm sure you can just about see that. They're really bad. So I'm going to probably have to replace all of that, which is going to cost a fair whack. The actual alloys themselves aren't too bad. They don't look curved or anything like that, but they are bubbling, so that will need doing too. And going over to the doors here, alright, these are all rusted along the bottom. That's because Mercedes decided they want to make a bit more money. They used inferior paint to make those savings, and it means that these, before they were made with the proper paint, they have really bad paint on them, and it rusts so quickly. And this is the worst one. This is the worst door, as you can see. That is really bad. As is the top of the door here and here and here. But apart from that, I would say that's the only bad points cosmetically and with the brake system. Under the bonnet, which I realised was raised because I think the catches are working. I have noticed that there's no battery, so I can't get the car up and running, which is a shame. I think that'll be the first thing I'll do to make sure the engine is hopefully running alright. There's no engine cover, which is a shame, because I was hoping that that would mean that it had been looked after a bit more, not just left the elements so much. This here, I don't know a lot about engines, I must admit, but this here, I'm pretty sure that that isn't any good. So, yeah, this engine, if we can get some juice going through it, it'll be alright. The belts don't look too bad actually, there's no fraying, nothing like that. So I think the engine will be alright after we've kind of sorted through it. I'll tell you what I paid for it in a minute. The tyres will need changing because the tyres are getting pretty old and they got a few nicks to them, and they just need changing. Coming into the interior, this is one of my favourite parts of the car actually, apart from the engine. So I think that interior looks really good. Clean it up, and this leather will be really nice. It's so comfy as well. And also the centre console. The centre console here, all of this is really cool. It's like some kind of like carbon fibre look. This is a car that's 20 years old, so that is really cool. This is like a built-in telephone, and it's also got up here, which I'll show you, got a little microphone thing. So I think that was like a hands-free telephone system, which, considering it was 20 years ago, that is pretty cool. I really like that. All the options must have been ticked on this, because this is fucking cool. Yeah, it's a bit smaller here, but I imagine my seat will go down anyway, so I haven't tried it yet, but that is pretty cool. I think this is honestly the best part of the car, apart from the engine. I think this will be quite a lot of fun to do up actually. I'm still not sure whether I'll do it myself or I'll get someone else to do it. I'll do it myself, I can make a bit more money on it when I sell it. So I might just do it myself. Last thing, how much should I pay? The answer to that is £425. For less than £500. I got Mercedes C-Class with 80,000 miles on it, with a 3.2 litre petrol engine. I think that's pretty good. Anyway guys, please do like, comment, subscribe, etc. In the comments, if you could put any kind of ideas that you have about the car, what I should do with it, if you've got experience in any of this, and you've got some experience that you can kind of pass on, that would be great. Thank you guys. See ya.